think this raft's gonna last long. Shark! Oh no! Hundreds of sharks! And the oar! No! Oh, stop it! You evil fish! Just you wait and see how I escape! What a waste! Take that! Oh, yay! I'm safe! Anybody here? Hello! Is that smoke? There's someone over there?
Hey, I hear a voice.
There's a human on the island!
You here to rescue me?
Huh? Rescue you? I thought you were...
So you're stuck here too? This could be a good way to signal for help.
Let's chill and wait it out!
Helicopter, you see me?
No! It can't save us now!
Time to catch some fish. Check it out, I'm a fishing pro!
Awesome! We're gonna have the biggest fish party! Or maybe not?
Huh?
Hey! A helicopter's landing on the sand!
You guys realize your mistake yet? Huh?
Dummy! You've really messed up!
You're gonna pay for this! Huh? Give her more challenges!